Hello, everyone. I'm going to do a rose painting here. I have some wonderful friends, Dominic and Elizabeth LaBrake, that are getting married, and I want to do them a wedding gift. I'm going to do some roses for them. Their colors are amethyst and green. Now, amethyst, for those of you that don't know, is a beautiful gemstone. It's a beautiful, rich purple, and I think it's just a beautiful gemstone. And blue and purple and green are a great color combination. Just lend themselves wonderful for roses. And I'm going to do roses because I like to do roses in memory of my grandmother who loved roses. And so I think I'm going to do, in terms of layout, just two basic nice blooms. We'll put some stalks on them and sort of make it a natural setting. I've got just a quarter sheet of cut down paper. You can see scissors got off a little bit there. But this is 11 by 15 size. Full sheet of paper would be 22 by 30. So obviously this is a quarter of the whole. And all right, so I'm going to start. Sometimes it's better to mix on the paper, but other times to make it readable as purple, I'm going to start just with a mix of purple. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to do kind of a offset vignette. I can put some stronger blue in there. I want to leave some open space. Let me think about where I'm going to put the other bloom. Put some open space in here. I want to connect my shapes, so mix up a little more of my purple mix. I'll strengthen it up a bit, but maybe overlap it here like this. And put the next one, the center of the next one down here about. Looks good. Leave that open, leave that open. Okay. Run off. There we go. Fade away, fade away. Lose my outside edges. My inside edges, I want to keep those. Okay, make some more purple here. Okay, that same sort of thing here. Keep my theme going. Okay, there we go. Got them kind of shaped in there. I like two big, beautiful blooms. All right. Yeah, that looks good. All right. Now I need to put some green in. So let's sort of change our values here a little bit. All right, put some green in here. Lose a little bit here. We can add a little blue in with the greens and drop it down some. Okay. Mix up my green. Okay, then I want to sort of I can run it off here a little bit. Yeah, I keep the overall design in mind. I want to help use the green to darken, sort of frame a little bit, but not make it too obvious what I'm doing. I'll do one thing up here where we Stick a bloom, another bloom, maybe help pull the eye up that direction. Kind of a vignette style. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Okay. Bud hasn't opened up yet. Okay. All right. Let's take some, we'll do some other stalks here. Like this is a 1/4-inch sword dagger brush. This is what that says. And all right, I'll charge it a little bit with a little red and blue right there in the center. We've got up here. Put some rabbit ears on my blooms, so they help read a little bit more like they're supposed to. Okay. Overlap them so they connect, and then the eye reads them as being together. There we go, a little bit of red like that, kind of tie them a bit. Down here, the red with the green. Red and green are complements to one another. Put them next to each other, they make each other stand out more. All right, that's starting to pop a little bit. Good, I like that. All right, let's put our sun in. Got a bright sunny day. Got lots of yellow here. All right, let's make them instead of such a lemony yellow color, let's make them more of a golden color. There we go, golden color. Okay, now with watercolor, sort of stick it on there and let it do its thing. Quit torturing it. Leave it be. All right. But I want to come down here and splash a little. Now just add in a little bit of sky for a little bit of context. Help dampen off some of the white paper. And I can run my green out a little bit here. Same down here, run it out a little bit. Okay, I'll let that dry and I'll put my name on it and get it framed for them, and we'll hope they like it, and that every time they see it on their wall that they'll say, hey, I love that piece there. And so there we go. All right, a little bit of scraping for calligraphy. All right, I like that. Okay, thank you so much, everybody. Hit the like button if you like this, and subscribe if you would, please, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.